You cannot prove which SEO change actually worked, and it's not because you don't measure it, it's just because your change and the whole internet moved at the same time. We asked 49 SEOs and 59% of them either log their changes in the notes or Google Sheets, and 16% don't log changes at all. So 3 out of 4 SEOs just do changes and hoping. That's why we built SEO Tests tool. It will allow you to do experiments and get a real answer that you can put directly into your client's dashboard. SEO Tests is a new tool inside Sitechecker. It helps you to log every experiment that you run into one place, and it scores the results for you. Each test has its owner, type, and the results achieved. Either you change the content, work on your backlinks, change technical SEO, or internal linking, you can write down everything in the description and see how changes influence real metrics from your Google Search Console or Google Analytics. The first type is simple. You pick your pages, you set a start date and the duration, and Sitechecker compares that period to the same period before you change. You get clicks, impressions, click-through rate, position, and ranked keywords, plus sessions, bounce rate, and key events from Google Analytics 4. That works well, but it has one weak spot. Your pages are being compared to their own past, so if Google ships an update or your niche has a busy month, your test is measuring the season and not your work. That is why the second type of test exists. You change one set of pages and you leave the similar set untouched. Then Sitechecker shows you both side by side. Say your updated pages has gained 12% and the pages you were never touched gain 9%. So your real results is not 12%, it is a difference. And this is the exact number you show to the client when they ask whether the metrics change. Yeah, you can do it all by hand. 2 date ranges, a matched control set, and a spreadsheet you rebuild every time. But what you cannot do by hand is keep that running across 40 client sites with 5 people logging tests their own way. So if you're running such tests, just book a call with me, bring your client, let's set up the test together and see how the metrics change within the time. You can add those pages in 3 different ways. Either you can choose them manually, you can choose a segment you're working on already in Sitechecker, or you can simply upload the file with all of the pages list. You can see all of the experiments running in one place for all of your teammates, so there is no need to create the same experiment if one is running already. So now you have a way to test your SEO changes with actual answers. In case you're interested, feel free to book a demo call with me. The link will be in the description of this video. And thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.